Now we like to invite hear from Mr. Pawan Kansal, who is running a big enterprise of in the name of Jagdamba Cutlery. Pawan ji, you are most welcome.
Yes. नमस्ते जी सबको.
नमस्कार जी.
गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीबॉडी. गौरव जी, मेरे ख्याल से बाकी लोगों को अनम्यूट कर देंगे तो ठीक रहेगा.
Yes.
So let me introduce a little bit of myself. This is Pawan Kansal. I am chairman and managing director of Jagdamba Cutlery Limited. This company is from last 36 years in the field of stainless steel houseware items. We are around 7,000 people working in the company, and the company on this auspicious occasion of Labor Day. This day is celebrating in respect of the people who do hard work, physically or mentally. I salute to the people who made world livable with their continuous hard work towards harmony. We have spread harmony in our people. All the 7,000 people have donated something, and we are doing every day around 2,000 people fooding even in the lockdown, and we are distributing the food kits. So around 2 crore rupees have been spent in this time of lockdown. Now I want to share my few experiences and few models so that more people can adopt this. So my idea is कि जहाँ पे worker वहीं पे काम. The labor lives in the villages of India, and most of the people, they are migrated in the different states mostly from Bihar and UP. So what I have done, I have made it possible and it is successful. The village name is Mai, and this is near to 10 kilometers to Muradabad. And in this village, they have their own factories to work for Jagdamba. Every day we send the goods to them, and after the polishing work, it comes back, and they are doing it very nicely. The cycle time is around only 3%. In 3 days, we get back all the goods, and if we make in the factory, it takes 1 month and less. And the people, they live in the houses with their kids, with their family, with their father, and the society is becoming better, because if they would have lived near the factory in the city, they may not help the family so much. So this model have to spread out more. We have to open more and more factories in the villages. Next, my next project is equalism. So everybody attached with Jagdamba have to have equal living standard. So the next project is coming up with the minimum salary of 25,000 rupees, and only 25,000 rupees for everybody, even the PN, even the manager, everybody. And the many services we can take from outsource, like sales, accounts, finance, different things. But in the company, everybody will have the same salary. Project is recreation. So this is also a fantastic subject, making the things from scrap, waste material, and something leftover, something byproduct. So what I have done, I have thought differently. Most of the manufacturers, what they do, they get order from the world for export, from India. Customer wants something to be made according to their need, and their need is defined with some particular maybe specification and the packaging and everything. So the manufacturer cannot change anything. He have to buy the fresh raw material. He have to buy the boxes and polythene and whatever desired by the customer. So what I have done, I have thought differently in a way that we should go to visit nearby within 50 kilometer of the factory to fetch the scrap, to fetch the waste material, to fetch the leftover things from the different factories. And then we will think how to make, what to make from that. So the fantastic things come out of this. We could be able to make very nice things from scrap, very useful, is for daily life, is for decoration
Thank,
by adding value.
thank you,
And yeah,
thank you,
yeah.
Pavanji. Thank you for
So
your enlightening
thank
session.
you.
And because
Thank you very much.
we need more time from you in future, we'll arrange a half-hour lecture from
Thank
you.
you.
And
Thank you very much.
really wonderful to sir. I have seen you. You are serving to the laborers and the nearby your factory. I have seen you. You're doing wonderful.